Hello, bird enthusiasts! Welcome back to Learn with Maxphine. Today, we're counting down the top 5 birds that capture the hearts of children around the world. From vibrant plumage to enchanting songs, these feathered friends are sure to spark joy in every young birdwatcher. Number 2, kicking off our list, is the striking blue jay. With its brilliant blue feathers and distinctive crest, the blue jay is a favorite among children. Not only is it beautiful to look at, but its energetic nature and melodious calls make it a delight to observe. Next up, we have the enchanting hummingbird. Known for its iridescent plumage and incredible agility, the hummingbird never fails to captivate young imaginations. These tiny birds are like magical fairies darting from flower to flower. Coming in at number 3 is everyone's favorite tuxedo-clad friend, the penguin. Children adore these adorable birds with their funny waddles and playful antics. Whether sliding on the ice or gracefully swimming underwater, penguins always bring smiles to little faces. At number 4, we have their wise and mysterious owl. Loved for its nocturnal habits and captivating hoots, the owl fascinates children with its air of mystery. From storybooks to nighttime adventures, owls hold a special place in young hearts. Rounding out our list is the cheerful and charismatic Dick. With its friendly quacks and amusing waddles, the duck is a beloved favorite among children. Whether feeding in ponds or exploring parks, ducks bring joy wherever they go. And there you have it, the top row birds loved by children. Whether it's the colorful blue jay, the magical hummingbird, or the adorable penguin, these feathered friends never fail to ignite the imagination and wonder of young minds. Which bird is your child's favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures.